Hello students, how are you? Today we all of learn about the next chapter, structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. In this chapters, we all of discuss about the various topics, that is tissues, type of tissues, and their functions, their structures, and detailed study about the three animals, the cockroach, frogs, and earthworm. So first of all, the topic is tissue. You all of generally learns tissue in the class 9th. Some ideas of these topics already you know. What are the tissue? How can you define tissues? टिश्यू को आप कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? टिश्यू है क्या? टिश्यू, it is the group of cells. It is a group of cells which act as a unit. टिश्यू क्या है? एक सेल का नंबर्स ऑफ सेल्स का एक ग्रुप है, समूह है, जो एक यूनिट की तरह, एक इकाई की तरह काम करता है. ओके, नंबर्स ऑफ सेल्स, cells 1, cells 2, cells 3, cells 4. This numbers of cells join to each other and form a specific structures known as tissue. Okay. Types of tissue. Types of animal tissues. Types of animal tissue. Types of animal tissue. The animal tissues are various types, which are as the first is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue. Second is connective tissue. Third is muscular tissue. And fourth is nervous tissue. Okay. First is epithelial. Second is connective. Third is muscular, and fourth is nervous tissue. General summaries of the function of these tissues are epithelial tissues covering of the body and form the inner lining. Covering of the body and form the inner lining of various internal organs of the body. Connective tissue. The connective tissue take parts in the jointing of various parts of the body, repairing, filling gaps, transporting, supporting, various functions. Okay. Muscular tissue, it have only two functions. Number one, movement, locomotion, okay, and fourth is the nervous tissue. Conduction of nerve impulse, coordination, okay. These are the major tissues which are present in animals. These are their functions and location in the body. To provide a specific name, first is the epithelial, second is the connective tissue, and third is the muscular tissue, and fourth is the nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue, the function is covering, secretion and inner lining of the various part of the bodies, and connective tissue, repairing, filling gaps in the internal organs, transporting and supporting. Muscular tissue take part in the movements and locomotion of the bodies, and nervous tissue, conduction of nerve impulses, and coordination. बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑर्गन्स को कोऑर्डिनेट करने का काम करता है. So we all of detailed study about the first issue, epithelial tissue.